Explore easy ways to earn money online through side hustles that fit your skills and interests. Freelance in your passion. Sell handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy, or share your expertise through online tutoring. Consider affiliate marketing or remote virtual assistants to make extra income from the comfort of your home. In today's video, get ready to explore a world of possibilities as we uncover the top 5 easy side hustle ideas that can put extra money in your pocket without stepping out of your home. Have you ever wondered how you could use your skills and interests to earn money online? Whether you're a college student trying to cover your expenses, a stay-at-home parent looking to contribute financially, or someone simply seeking additional income, these side hustle ideas have got you covered. So let's dive into the virtual realm of opportunities and discover how you can make money online while balancing your other commitments and responsibilities. Let's get started. Freelancing in your passion. Our journey into the world of online side hustles begins with the idea of transforming your passion into a profitable endeavor. Imagine harnessing your unique skills and talents, whether you're a wordsmith, a creative designer, or a social media maven, and offering them as services to a global clientele. Online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer act as bridges between your expertise and those seeking precisely what you have to offer. Writing captivating articles, crafting visually appealing graphics, or curating engaging social media content. These are just a few examples of how freelancing can be an exciting and lucrative side hustle. Not only does it allow you to earn extra income, but it also empowers you to channel your creativity into meaningful projects while establishing your online reputation and portfolio. How do you present your skills effectively on these platforms? Drawing from my personal experience, I've found that freelancing not only offers monetary rewards, but also the satisfaction of turning your passion into a profession. It's a flexible way to make money online while indulging in your creative pursuits. So whether you're a seasoned writer, a design aficionado, or have a knack for social media engagement, freelancing opens doors to a virtual world of opportunities where your skills are not just appreciated, but also contribute to your financial growth. Ready to embark on this journey of turning passion into profit? Let's move on to explore more side hustle ideas that can shape your online income adventure. Selling handmade crafts or products online. If you're eager to transform your hobbies into a source of income, our second side hustle idea might resonate with you. Imagine the joy of crafting handmade treasures or curating special products and sharing them with a worldwide audience. Online platforms like Etsy offer a virtual storefront for artisans, crafters, and creators to display and sell their one-of-a-kind items. Whether you're adept at crafting intricate jewelry pieces, producing personalized artwork, or sourcing unique vintage finds, there's a growing community of individuals who appreciate the authenticity and uniqueness of handmade creations. Venturing into this online marketplace allows you to not only share your passion with the world, but also create a viable income stream from your creative pursuits. Navigating the world of selling handmade goods online might lead you to ponder, how do you create a standout online store? What strategies can help you connect with your target audience and build a loyal customer base? As someone who has explored this realm, I've discovered that platforms like Etsy offer more than just a marketplace. They provide a platform for your artistic expression to flourish while offering an avenue to make money online. The journey of transforming your passion projects into profitable ventures requires dedication, persistence, and an understanding of your niche market. By aligning your creative endeavors with the interests of your potential customers, you can establish yourself as a reputable seller while indulging in activities you genuinely enjoy. Online tutoring or teaching. If you possess a deep understanding of a specific subject or skill, our third side hustle idea could be the perfect avenue for you to explore. Online tutoring and teaching. Imagine the satisfaction of imparting your knowledge to eager learners worldwide, all from the comfort of your own space. The digital age has brought about a revolution in education, with platforms like Vipid, Teachable, and Udemy providing opportunities to create and sell courses in your area of expertise. Whether you excel in academic subjects, excel in teaching languages, or have mastered certain skill sets, there's a digital classroom waiting for your expertise. Engaging in online teaching not only allows you to earn money, but also enables you to contribute positively to the growth and development of others. This idea might spark questions in your mind. How do you create effective online courses? What strategies can help you engage your students and deliver valuable lessons? Having ventured into the realm of online teaching myself, I've found that a well-structured course, interactive content, and clear communication are key elements in creating a successful e-learning experience. By understanding the needs of your target audience and tailoring your courses to their learning preferences, you can establish yourself as an authority in your field and attract a dedicated student base. Online teaching offers not just a chance to make money, but also an opportunity to shape minds and empower individuals with knowledge. Affiliate marketing. Have you ever shared your excitement about a product or service you genuinely love with a friend? Imagine being able to translate that enthusiasm into a steady stream of income. This brings us to our fourth side hustle idea: affiliate marketing. The concept is simple yet powerful. By teaming up with companies and utilizing your platform to promote their offerings through personalized affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale generated through your referral. Essentially, you become a brand ambassador, endorsing products or services you believe in while reaping financial rewards. Whether it's recommending skincare essentials, showcasing cutting-edge tech gadgets, or endorsing lifestyle items, the realm of affiliate marketing encompasses a diverse range of products and niches, ensuring there's a suitable match for every individual. You might wonder how to effectively choose products to promote or how to reach your target audience in an authentic way. Drawing from my own experience, I've found that genuine recommendations resonate with audiences more than forced endorsements. By selecting products aligned with your values and interests, you can effortlessly incorporate them into your content and make your affiliate marketing efforts feel like natural conversations. Transparency and honesty are key. Your audience will appreciate your candid approach. Virtual assistants and remote work. Last but certainly not least, let's explore a side hustle idea that taps into the flexibility of remote work, becoming a virtual assistant. This role has gained prominence as businesses increasingly transition to remote operations. As a virtual assistant, you can provide a range of services that help businesses streamline their processes, from data entry and social media management to customer support and scheduling. The beauty of this opportunity lies in its adaptability. You can tailor your skills to match a diverse array of tasks, catering to the specific needs of various clients. Platforms like Remote.co and Virtual Vocations serve as gateways to a world of remote job opportunities, enabling you to work from the comfort of your own home while supplementing your income through tasks that align with your expertise. Having embarked on the virtual assistant journey myself, I can attest to the enriching experience of contributing to businesses' growth from a remote setting. The virtual assistant role not only provides a valuable service, but also allows you to develop a deeper sense of responsibility and autonomy. It's an avenue to build meaningful professional relationships and contribute to the operational efficiency of businesses across different industries. The emotional rewards extend beyond the financial gains. The ability to successfully manage tasks and support others remotely fosters a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. And there you have it, our top 5 easy side hustle ideas to make money online. Whether you're a creative spirit, an expert in your field, or simply looking to diversify your income, these online opportunities offer flexibility, convenience, and the chance to earn extra cash. Remember, success in side hustles takes dedication and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. So, which idea resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below.